Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I believe video I'll be talking about this particular Rubi KYC. I've been talking about Rubi KYC for a couple of some time now, which I believe that after watching the last video, you'll be able to get your own KYC invitation. Yes, I kid you not. We are close to it now, 4,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you can upload any other new video. I'm to join my WhatsApp community. It's free of charge. I'll be dropping the links on this particular video. And if you still want to join this particular project, I tell you the train is still going. You are not too late. So I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. So you can see now on 20th of January. I don't know as the time you are watching this particular video. Today is actually on 20th. You can see they say KYC invitation. They say over 25,000 invitation on the way. Are you ready? Rubi is coming. I tell you that I've been thinking about something that their TGA will actually be coming up very soon. Yes, very very soon. If possibly this year, and it will be very, it will not be good that their TGA comes and you have not actually been KYC because you meet some certain criteria which you need to have actually met, which I'll actually be sharing with you in this particular video for you to be able to position yourself to meet up with this particular project, getting your KYC invitation. So I've always been concerned with this particular project, not missing any single day. So I'm still having a lot of people not being online. Let me quickly send a reminder before going to the latest I want to share with you. So you want to tap on this particular view, or we have this particular button. If you are those that have a lot of people that you refer, you just tap on this particular reminder. Then all of them will actually get a notification for them to come online. I've been doing this and the result has always been great. So for you to be able to get your Rubi KYC invitation, the first thing is that you need to be very consistent. That is one of those things I've actually been telling you. Be consistent. Make sure you show up online on every single day to mine. And the next thing I always tell people is that have your Rubi. In my previous video, which you must have seen, is not for you to have thousands of Rubi. You just need to have between 3 to 5 Rubi, because it will not be good for you to get your invitation and by then be looking for merchants to sell Rubi for you. Have your Rubi in your wallet. I've created a video on how you'll be able to get your wallet. This is my wallet now, and I have my Rubi already there. Now you can see I even have over 20 Rubi. I'm just having this particular one so that anytime that the TG actually comes, I'll be able to make some other profit. I'm still buying. Just of recent, I said some to some of my community members, but I will still be buying more to position myself, because I'll be able to sell it 10 times the amount I was actually able to buy it. And the next thing is that always choose a particular location. This is what I always emphasize, and this is what I've been getting my community member KYC invitation on a regular basis. After you are consistent, if you are choosing Nigeria, continue to choose Nigeria. If you are choosing Ghana, continue to choose. If you are choosing Abuja, continue. Any country you are choosing, make sure you are consistent in doing it. And if you're able to do this, just be in position. Someday, I'll always check your anytime this your notification here to see if you are actually sent a notification for your KYC, because once your KYC invitation will be sent to you, what the Rubi team actually says is that you need to respond immediately and make sure that your details you have in your any form of ways you want to get your notification for, maybe through your NIN. I don't know if they are accepting voters card, but through your NIN, make sure it is the plastic one, your driving license. Make sure the information, your date of birth, name, address is the same thing with the one you will be putting on your KYC, because if there's any error, maybe from your date of birth, maybe your name, it might actually cost you in your denial for your Rubi KYC, or your denial for being KYC. So all these things, you need to make sure that they are in place for your Rubi invitation, so that you'll be able to get KYC. And after KYC, your token will be migrated from here. It will be migrated to your wallet down here, and from there you'll be able to sell maybe 40G if you want, but make sure that you have just one account. So this is all I have for you. If this is all helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you know time to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.